Ladies and gentlemen, penetration. In 3, 2, wait a second. Just to make sure the coin is still here, okay? And really, watch the coin. You blink, you missed it. And ladies and gentlemen, in 3, in 3, 2,
I stay out too late. Got nothing in my brain. People say, that's what people say. But I can't make them stay. That's what people say. But I keep cruising. I won't stop moving. I think it's music. In my mind, it's gonna be alright. 'Cause the things gonna be I'm landing on my feet, and that's what people see.
you guys have 1 card each, and you only know what that card is, okay? And in a moment, I'm gonna read 5 people's mind, and one by one, I'm gonna tell the name of the card that they have chosen, all right? In order for me to read you guys' mind, raise up your right hand. Raise up your right hand right now. Everybody, raise up your right hand, and keep it high.